3 News Now is looking at ways to help you and area businesses overcome the effects of the pandemic and help rebound from them.
And as the world we once knew is getting back in focus, 3 News Now reporter Danielle Davis talked with a local eye doctor who says they are once again seeing patients.
Eye doctors and patients are once again seeing eye to eye after the pandemic slowed down appointments.
When the pandemic hit, it was kind of like everything came to a screeching halt, right? People weren't sure how the virus spread and weren't really sure what was safe and what wasn't. So, like most places of elective healthcare and otherwise, we had to kind of shut down completely. We stopped doing surgery.
With people putting off eye care, there are some concerns.
A year is not a significant margin in cataracts, but in something that's potentially irreversibly blinding like glaucoma, it can be important. If people have missed their typical pressure checks or refill on eye drop medications, there could be an advance in the glaucoma stage and severity by the time they get to us.
But now they are seeing patients again and are excited about waiting rooms with people actually sitting in the socially distanced seats.
If you want me to take a quick look.
Both doctors and patients understand the need for proper eye care, and they are still taking precautions.
I think once we get our shot, we think that maybe we should be able to just do what we want to do, but we can't.
Since masks are now required at their offices, they found another way to make sure their friendly and smiling faces get seen by patients by putting their picture on their name badges.
And to avoid as many contacts as possible, they've even installed an electronic temperature machine.
They also revamped their cleaning protocols.
We spent weeks going over the different machineries, talking to companies. What's the safest way to disinfect this machine? We bought UV sterilizing wands and different cleaning products that were specific to target the SARS-CoV-2.
They're now 100% back in business as people who put off appointments and surgeries are heading back in. In Omaha, Danielle Davis, 3 News Now.
Now, proper eye care is so important because about 80% of what we perceive comes through our sense of sight.